Okay, it's day 28. We're packing out the car. All right, 6 hours and 300 miles to Glacier. All right, all the kids woke up. We are in Montana. We stole some waffles from the hotel, so we're eating breakfast on the road, and we're about to go to a hot spring. Okay, we're at Big Medicine. Keep your dogs in the car. We're just leaving. All right, here is the hot spring. Yeah, this hot spring seemed a bit sketchy at first. There's all these unwelcoming signs, so we didn't really want to go in, but we're really glad we did. It was really hot, actually. I would say probably like around 107, 108 degrees. So the kids didn't go in it so much, but we had a good time, met some cool people. It was fun. Okay, buying up our camping supplies and refilling our water here at Walmart. Had a quick Walmart picnic by the playground at the park before we set out for Glacier. So Glacier is kind of in the middle of nowhere in Montana, so not a lot of stores. There are some restaurants inside, but it's kind of expensive. Like even when we got in, there's 2 hours to our campsite from the national park entrance. So this is the Going on the Sun Road, which is very like world renowned for being beautiful. It was beautiful, spectacular. You can see those canyons that the glaciers carved. There's Weeping Falls. There's all these snow mounds, and this is in the middle of June, late June, and pretty spectacular. And we saw these bighorn sheep, pretty amazing. Like I felt like we had such a grand welcome into this park. We saw bighorn sheep, and then we saw grizzlies, and other bears, and we saw all these animals. We're like, oh, this is gonna be an amazing trip. We're gonna see all these wildlife, and I feel like this first day is when we saw the most of everything, but it was still so spectacular to see this wildlife right in front of you. And yeah, it was pretty amazing to see all that. So thank you for the grand welcome, Glacier National Park. We appreciated it. Kids appreciated it. It was cool to see. So we finally got to our campground. Okay, just got to our campsite right next to the bathroom. All right, first meal at Glacier Campground. Doing hot dogs tonight. Yeah, we unfortunately got some kind of like RV site and now have to set up this tent on the pavement. Let's see how that goes. Oh, it's beautiful here. There's even a restaurant, which is crazy. And the campground's like a 1-minute walk that way. It's right here. There's Wi-Fi you can log into. There's an inn you can stay at. You know, we're kind of roughing it, but they have ice, which I'm very happy with. Food. All right, day 29 here at Glacier. First day. We're gonna do some good hiking. Unfortunately, this campsite doesn't have a grill grate. I'm forced to improvise. How's breakfast, everyone? Okay, we're doing the Red Falls hike today. Caterpillars, the bench tree, skipping rocks. What are you doing up there, Chloe? Mushroom forest. They're all over this trail. Kind of cool. And it is pretty. Let's go. Made it to the waterfall. One, can Alvin make? Alvin, are you okay? Can Alvin make? A post-fall interview. How was it, Alvin? The best? The worst? Yeah. Yeah, that was a pretty nasty fall by Alvin, but he was a trooper. He did it again successfully with my help, and we continued the Red Falls hike. 360 beautiful views. We got waterfalls, we got mountains, everything. Beautiful. Kaden loves drinking in wild places. Alright, the place is probably pretty safe. Here is the Swiss-style chalet at many glaciers. Taking a ranger tour about this historic chalet. So you can rent boats, kayaks, go out onto the lake. It's pretty nice. Where you going, baby? I don't know either. Crazy view. What's up? So this was a pretty cool hike up at Logan's Pass. Just snow kind of everywhere. And again, late June, just amazing to see all this snow. Unfortunately, most of us had sandals and Crocs, so the snow would just kind of pile in. All right, I think I'm turning around. The family didn't want to come sloshing around in flip-flops. It's a hidden lake overlook, but this is still pretty cool. Best way to do this might be at a run, I don't know. Okay, let's try it. There's a group with skis going up.
Wow, why don't you
Got flowers, got snow, got it all here in June. All right, cooking some brisket for dinner. Okay, how's the brisket sandwiches, everybody?
Good. I want
Okay, it's day 30, 6 in the morning. I'm gonna try to get some video editing done. Found this moth. All right, breakfast round 2. All right, breakfast time. At the ranger station, got a junior ranger badges.
Ranger.
I pledge to help.
I pledge to help.
Nature.
Nature.
All right, just drove 2 hours south to the 2 Medicine Campground, where there's a lot of hiking too. How many monkeys are in this tree? This is one of the 2 Medicine Lakes. Okay, I think we might be watching or listening to too much Harry Potter. They all got wands. What you got, Coeur? Got a toad? Oh. All right. Okay, this hike has just gotten very steep. I don't know if you can hear Kaylee crying in the background. She's not having fun. Boys are doing fine. Come on, Kaylee, you can do it. Kaylee, you having fun? You like this hike? All right, we made it to the top. Aster Park. Woo! Celebrate. Good job, Mama Hero. It's wet. It's wet, Mama. Coeur, why you lose your shoe? Why you lose it? Go rescue Valen's shoe. Oh, what are these crazy kiddos doing? What are you doing, Kate and Bean? See the chipmunk? Right there. It's eating grass. Running Eagle Falls. Cooking in the rain. Finally raining on us. Eating under the tree umbrella. Always best to cook things like corn over coals, not an active fire. This will be good. Now that's a pretty corn. Not bad, actually.
Ooh, hot.
How is it?
Tastes good.
Playing K-pop Demon Hunter Monopoly deal. Okay, day 31, going for a long overdue run. Well, that was interesting. Just ran into a bear, literally 25 feet at the bend of a trail I was running on. We both spooked each other, ran off in opposite directions. I went on the road for the rest of the ride. Whew, but that's the closest I've ever come to a bear. It was a pretty big black bear. Luckily, it wasn't a grizzly. But yeah, got the heart racing for sure. Yeah, it was funny because right before that, literally like a minute before, I snuck up on a older racer, like a grandma type, and she was running. And she had her earphones on. I didn't because I was scared. And then she saw my shadow, I guess, and got completely spooked about bears and stuff. She's like, yeah, I didn't run with my mace or anything. And then that bear shows up. So I ran back and told her, don't go that way. All right, breakfast time. Doing something different with some boiled eggs today. All right, they're done. Foxes. Oh no, we scared them. Trying to get to St. Mary's Falls. So Sunray and I were talking about it, and we felt like, you know, the glacier, amazing views everywhere you went, everywhere you turned. But in terms of hiking, we felt like it was kind of like plain, you know, just gravel paths that you're taking step after step. Of course, we were doing the smaller hikes with the kids, but, you know, the kids love bouldering. Bridges are cool, you know, but they love like getting into things, getting wet. So we have to make our own adventures a lot of the time. Okay, we're doing a contest. Who can keep their hand in the water the longest? This water is very cold. Let's see which of us lasts the longest. Okay, Alvin went out. Valen's still in. Is Kaylee still in?
No, she's in.
Alright, Valen's out. I guess I win. It is cold. I think my hand's numb. That was only like 20 seconds. Oh, we got down to the riverbed. Pretty nice views. Built the cairn. Kids are all cairn building. Got some pretty good ones going. Beautiful place. There he goes again, drinking his water. I'd say one of my main regrets here at Glacier was not cliff jumping. We saw these kids doing it, and I wish I did it. You know, the water was just so beautiful. I'm sure it was freezing cold, but it would have been a lot of fun. But the kids were breaking down. We had to get back to camp. Last supper, ramen, chicken nuggets, orange. So our last night here in Glacier before we head to Yellowstone, did some laundry in the laundry machines, took some showers. I think it was $8 for 4 minutes. Boys and girls each got 8 minutes, so we got it done. And then we went to the lake to hopefully see some moose. We saw a bear, which was cool, and we saw this cool deer, but unfortunately no moose, which we really wanted to see. So hopefully some other time during our trip we'll see a moose. But yeah, this deer was pretty cool. Okay, day 32, 4 in the morning, and it's raining. Not ideal conditions to pack out this tent. Yeah, this was probably one of the worst experiences so far on our 50-day road trip. I just hate packing out wet tents. You know, we had to get the sleeping kids into the car while we packed out in the rain. Luckily, the kids transferred pretty well and kept sleeping throughout our trip to Yellowstone, so that was nice, but pretty miserable. Right, 10 a.m., been driving 5 hours. Everyone just got up, so we're stopping for bread. It's a cool nap.
So good.
All right, this place is pretty good. Has a line out the door, little breakfast stop. All right, just arrived in Bozeman, Montana, and we are gonna spend this rainy day in the Museum of the Rockies. So easily saved another $100 for the ASTC pass. Poison dart frogs.
3, 4, 5.
Checking out the Triceratops skulls. They're massive. Baby to full-size Triceratops Montana T-Rex. All right, just getting to Gardner near Yellowstone. There's elk right by the post office. All right, entering Yellowstone from the northern entrance. And that was our Glacier National Park experience. We had an amazing time, saw some amazing wildlife. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for Yellowstone. Godspeed.